So here we are on the Carnival Vista. We are going to do a room tour of 9247. This is located on the starboard side, forward. All right, so here we go. All right. We are, as you can see, we are pretty far forward. The Lido is one above us. You got your peephole, you got your cards. Here, if you always bring an extra card, you notice I got one in here, keeps the lights on. Then your main light switch. And then we'll just, nice roomy closet actually. Third cabinet with your safe. I like it that they have the digital safes. And then the drawers, which are actually pretty deep drawers in here. Usually they're those little small drawers, but you got the bigger drawers here. Thermostat, naturally. Light switch, that one's all broken. And you have regular, standard old bathroom with the curtain. A little roomier, it seems like, than normal. You have a sofa that pulls out and makes a bed. And then over here you have two USB ports, two 110s. I don't know why they call them 120s, but oh, it is 120, I'm sorry. TV, not a real big screen TV, but pretty good size, right in front of the beds. Now, there are no USB ports by the beds. That's a minus. And you got your main switch there. Pretty cool, cold in here. And then you got your balcony. And there you found somebody out here on my balcony hiding out. And then your overall view. All right. Click on the comments down below and you'll see the whole entire ship tour.